The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for the SPY, but before I begin, I do have a course sale running right now, a Black Friday / Cyber Monday course sale, where you can get 50% off my technical analysis course. So if you like what I do on YouTube and you want to learn a skill that will last a lifetime, use discount code TOPNOTCHCHARTIST with a capital T to get 50% off my technical analysis course. Link in the video description below. So let's take a look at the SPY. Well, obviously it's been uptrending since we had a bottom back here in October 13th. That was the 52-week low, and ever since then we've been seeing a nice rally out of there. We had this nice little uptrend right here, had the first break of it, and looks like we're getting a few legs up to a new high, which is what you expect in the market. So it looks like we're trying to fill in this gap at the 410 level. If the market's really bearish, maybe we can pull back to the 422 level to fill in that gap too. There is a measure move target at the 410 level too. So there's some confluence there for that target to be reached. So we're very close to that. I think we can get a nice pop up in the market next week. If we're really bullish, we can probably get a second leg up of this correction, and that would take me right to the 423 level. So those are my two targets right now, 423 and the 410. If we get above the 430 level, then this could be turning into a possible bottom. I'm not 100% sure. We'll have to wait and see, but if we're getting really bullish and we start making higher highs, higher lows, then there's probably a chance that we have bottom. So I do see this downtrend channel right here in play, and we're about to get a breakout of it because we came up short on the support side, and if we break out the same amount that we came up short, then prices should break out to the right between the 410 and 423 level, right around the 420 level. So there's a couple of targets that should be hit. I think that we're going to get it next week. After this, I'm expecting a few legs down to a new low, probably to the 320 target that I have in mind for the long term. So I don't think this is a bottom. It could be not. We'll have to wait and see. I am trying to predict the future here using past prices, so it's just all about probabilities. I could also be reading the chart wrong, but I think this downtrend still has more room to drop, and we're just seeing these high large swings that go up and down. So to me, I'm not going to fake doubt. I think this is just a pullback for lower prices. So as long as we don't break above that 430 level by a large amount, we shouldn't break up to the 445, then there's a very good chance we're going to be continuing to trend lower after these price targets are hit. So that's everything I have for the daily chart. Let me switch it over to the weekly chart to wrap it all up. Here's the weekly chart. If I do a fib retracement from the lows of 2020 to the highs, you can see that we pull back right to the 50% retracement, saw a large bounce up, but the 618 is right around the 318 level, so pretty much the 320 level. So that's where I think we can get to. We did break above the EMA. This time is looking like it's holding a little bit more than the past, but that doesn't mean we're going to stay above here. We could just roll over if we go up a little bit more. So we'll have to wait and see what the market wants to do. Overall, this is still an uptrend pattern since 2009. If I go and put a channel on the chart, this is the channel right here, and basically it looks like we're just working our way back to the opposite side. That's normally what we do, and this is probably going to be another few quarters, maybe 3 quarters of lower prices before we see some type of bottom, but I'm still pretty confident that we're going to continue lower. So looking for higher prices, and after we see those higher prices, I'm expecting lower prices. If we don't get those lower prices, then I have to reevaluate the possibility that we probably have bottom and we could maybe see a new all-time high. We'll have to wait and see, but that's what I'm seeing for the SPY right now, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Sunday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.